Hello and welcome back to my channel, everyone. Tiff Benson here, and in today's video we are going to talk all about fragrances for Valentine's Day. Now this list will be for her. I'm going to be mentioning fragrances that I would highly recommend giving as a gift for Valentine's Day. Any woman would be happy, more than happy, over the moon with happiness to receive any fragrance that I will be mentioning here today on this list. I would love if you leave a comment and let me know what fragrances you plan on wearing for Valentine's Day, or if you're going to buy yourself something special for Valentine's Day, please leave it in the comments. Your girl is super curious. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and get started. Thumbs this video up so we can jump right into the video. It helps me out with the YouTube algorithm and it shares the video with others who love fragrance in our community, keeps our community growing and healthy and strong. So like the video, take the time to support the channel. Also, all the fragrances that I mentioned today will be linked in the description. Shop there first. That's another way to support the channel so that I can continue to create content like this for you. All right, with that being said, here we go. First fragrance that I'm going to mention is brand new. This was released in 2021. It's very, very brand new. This is from the house of Parfum de Marly, and it is Delena La Rosée. Now, if you're a big fan of this channel, then you know I am obsessed with Delena Exclusive. I love Delena Exclusive. This one is a lighter, fresher, brighter, springier interpretation of Delena. If your person already has Delena in their collection and she loves it, might as well hook her up with something new. She'll love it as well. It's perfect for the summer, spring. She'll enjoy it. It has Turkish rose, pear, similar lychee note, except this one is made more fresher with watery notes, a watery accord that's in here. Like it a lot. Perfect for Valentine's Day. She will love you forever. Up next, we have something new, something new, something new, something new. This is from the house of Bulgari, which I'm obsessed with. And the name of the fragrance is Fiore d'Amore. Perfect for Valentine's Day. Can we just have a quick moment to talk about the bottle presentation? Stunning. It's like the most cutest little bonbon. We have the gold detail at the top, which is signature of Bulgari. Obsessed. It's a very red moment with my lipstick. We like that. So this fragrance is all about Turkish rose, Bulgarian rose, and raspberry, prelude raspberry. So if you like fruity florals, if you like something that's a little bit more on the sexier side, this is definitely date night to me. Super feminine, very polished sort of fragrance. I think that this would make a perfect gift. Perfect gift, literally perfect for Valentine's Day. Oh, it's just so good. So good. Up next, I have an oriental fragrance, oriental floral fragrance that is like one of my favorite fragrances of all time. It's from Maison Francis Kurkdjian, and this is Baccarat Rouge 540. This scent is so iconic and so just like iconically good. I mean, it's famous, it's legendary, it smells amazing, has the most gorgeous, it's like breathtaking, you know? Has the most gorgeous scent trail. It's all about saffron, jasmine, cedar, resinous notes. Oh, it is just so good. It is so good and so expensive. It's like if you buy this for your partner, you must really be in a relationship with them. Like it's serious if you buying this for your partner. Any woman would be happy to have this in their collection, even if they don't quite understand it or they're not super into perfume just yet and they don't know it, they're not familiar with the brand to appreciate it. This says something about the person who owns it, you know? It's very exclusive and just pure luxury, and I love that. Makes for a perfect gift for Valentine's Day. Just saying. Up next, we have something super special. It's from the house of Byredo and it's called Lil Fleur. Love this one a lot. Has notes of rose, leather, tangerine, woody notes. It also has like this, it's not a custom cap, but you can get the cap in different colors. I really enjoy this fragrance. I haven't talked about it on my channel nearly as much as I should have, and that is going to change. And I don't wear it as much as I probably should be because I genuinely really like this fragrance. If you like tangerine, right, that citrusiness, but also like rose, like a romantic sort of very fresh rose with a little bit of whoopsh with that leather note, you're gonna like this fragrance a lot. Highly recommend it. I think it makes for the perfect gift. I mean, honestly, anything Byredo makes for the perfect gift, and I'm obsessed. Love for Valentine's Day. Speaking of love, just gonna throw that out there. We have Rolling in Love from one of our favorite houses here on this channel, Kilian. You know, doesn't take much to make me happy. Oof, so gorgeous. This is an oriental floral fragrance that was launched in 2019. It has notes of freesia, almond milk, musk, tuberose, vanilla. It smells almost gourmandy. I've talked about this scent plenty on this channel because I love it so much. I think it's a masterpiece. Like, for real, it is so good and so special, especially for the house of Kilian. I think this is one of my faves, maybe even top 10 of all time. I just love what this fragrance does. It leaves a beautiful scent trail in the air. And I mean, look at the bottle. Like, does that not scream Valentine's Day? I think if your partner buys this for you, or even if you buy it for your partner, it definitely says you love them. And it's unisex. You can share it with your partner. Let's go super classy. Now, the bottle's not red, okay? So don't judge it by its color, okay? This is a gorgeous scent, even for Valentine's Day. This is the Harmonious Yin Transformation. Obsessed with this fragrance. Everyone, stop what you're doing. This is a gem. Notes here are freesia, orchid. There's white musk, sandalwood, benzoin. There's also a sparkling top note of grapefruit and lemon. I am obsessed with this fragrance. This is such a classy, beautiful fragrance. I'm going to spray it in the air, and I'm not sure if the camera will pick it up, but it has a beautiful mist to it, a pressurized mist. I love fragrances that have that. Super sophisticated, expensive, smells expensive, has a beautiful scent trail. You know, this has all the things that you want out of a fragrance. Well, that I want out of a fragrance, just saying. And I highly recommend it. If someone were to give this to me for a gift any time of the year, I would gladly accept it. It is stunning. Up next, we have an oldie but goodie, and it's a gem of a fragrance for reals. This is House of Sillage. Love is in the air. Let me give that to you straight. Love is in the air. I adore this fragrance. Always have, always will. One of those love it first sniff fragrances. It has notes of plum, which I'm obsessed with. Plum in a fragrance is just so dreamy. Rose, patchouli, jasmine, and white musk. Gorgeous powdery scent trail that this leaves behind. It's super expensive. I'm sorry, wait. I know I keep talking about a lot of expensive fragrances on this list, but I'm just saying, like, well, if you love your partner, you don't have to buy expensive. Let's just be all the way real. But these are ones that are really coveted and kind of, you know, they make a statement. They're like statement pieces that you want to have in your collection. Super desirable. And this is one of them. This came out in 2012, and even though, I mean, that's quite some time ago, it doesn't smell dated at all. It's just a gorgeous, lovely, comforting fragrance. I'm obsessed with it, and it's perfect for Valentine's Day. It is. Up next, we have a fragrance from Penhaligon's. This is Elizabethan Rose. So rose to me, and as you see, there's been a lot of rose fragrances mentioned on this list, on this countdown. Rose is very romantic, you know, and rose can be done in so many different ways. There's like super sexy, sultry, dark roses, but then there's also light, fresh, wearable, approachable roses. This one kind of falls right in between. I like this one a lot because it's so prim and proper. It is just a very fancy, elevated rose floral fragrance. It's not too pretentious. It's super easy to wear. I mean, it comes in the cutest little packaging. Like, how cute is that? It has notes of rose, plum, blackcurrant, woody notes, vetiver, musk, all things that we like in a fragrance. And I think it's just super cute and very, very pretty for Valentine's Day. I think it makes a perfect gift. Another one of my favorites, and I'm holding it like this because it's like my baby. I love her. I love her so. This is from the house of Versace, and it is called Icla de Rosé. Check it out. I mean, how gorgeous is that presentation? Cap, stunning. The name of the fragrance is here, and the bottle is just so super gorgeous and just so pretty. This scent is all about tobacco, woods, amber, musk. It's so pretty. I'm gonna spray it on, don't judge me, because I like it. Now it is my scent of the day because I like it. This was one of those fragrances for me that was love at first sniff. I actually smelled this in store at Saks Fifth Avenue, and I was like, you know, sometimes it's all about the experience, right? You see the gold cap and then you touch the bottle and you're just like, ooh, you know, and then you smell it and then you wear it and then you get whiffs of sillage of it as you're wearing it through the day. And it looks stunning on a vanity now that I've got it home in my house, and I'm obsessed. I really do love it. This is something that you can wear out the shower, you know, casual moments. You can also dress it up. It's very versatile, all seasons, although I think I'm really gonna enjoy this in the spring and summer. I did enjoy it going into the fall, even in the winter, but I've just been wearing it at home. Anyway, I think it makes for a perfect gift. It's pretty for Valentine's Day, and it's very, very feminine. You will love it and enjoy it. Last but not least, a new fragrance, something new just for me. This is not new at all. Came out in 2012. Is this gorgeous stunner of a fragrance. It's from Michaelis and is called Ylang in Gold. Let me shake her up so that you can see all the glory that is happening here. It is just dreamy inside of this bottle. Oh my God. Oriental floral fragrance here. Has coconut in this fragrance as well. Oh, I just love it. It's the coconut for me. We have sandalwood, mint, rose, lily of the valley, vanilla, musk, oak moss, ylang. It is so, so good. Sillage for days, compliment getting scent. I've been wearing this around the house, and whenever I bump into my mom, she's like, damn, you smell good. Like, what is it? Like, something smells good. And I'm just like, yeah, something does smell good. I'm not saying what it is, but something smells good. This is a special one. I mean, you can look at the bottle presentation, you can smell the juice inside and just know that it's special right out the gate, right off the bat. I mean, even the detail up front here with the crystals, it is just, you know, full package here just makes sense, and I think it's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful and perfect for Valentine's Day. So I'd love if you leave a comment and let me know what you'll be wearing for Valentine's Day, or if you're going to give a gift for someone special this Valentine's Day. It's very strange. We're still in such a strange time in our lives, right? With everything that's happening in the world. But fragrance makes us happy. That's why we're here. And, I hope that this video was helpful. If it was, definitely give this video a thumbs up. Again, it really does support the channel and it helps me out with the YouTube algorithm. Also, share this video with a friend who loves fragrance. Just saying. Guys, sometimes y'all need a lot of help. I love you. I love you very much, but I know you need the help. I got a couple of DMs on Instagram asking me, oh my God, Tiff, what should I buy my person for Valentine's Day? Can you please create a video for it? And this one is for you. Okay, boo? Is for you. So thank you so much for watching. I love you forever. Don't forget to watch what's up next. I will leave it here. Subscribe to my channels and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.